Hey folks, today we're going to be looking at this. It's a BLACK+DECKER. It is a 16 volt. This is essentially a dust buster or a cordless handheld vacuum. So if you've got dust that you need to bust, this thing is an absolute must. Let's go ahead and kick it off and check it out right about now. Now, first and foremost, it is very easy to put together. Pretty much just one piece. And it is nice that all of the attachments and the accoutrement are pretty much sitting right on it. You don't have to have a box of attachments for your little vacuum. On and off, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And it is a powerful little vacuum. So what do you need to know about it? First off, let's look at this. This is for, I'll put it here, like you're doing rugs and carpets, things you don't want to scratch up. It's got a little attachment right here. Now you can flip that back and go straight up plastic and suck, or pull this out and you've got your attachment for getting deep in those seat cushions and pockets and really getting precise and precision accuracy. Now just push down and that will retreat, flip up, and you're back to your brush mode. Again, fantastic. Now to take this off, push here and here, and you've got a washable, cleanable vacuum. This thing you can literally use water to clean and clean it out dang near perfectly. So a tremendous vacuum. This is one of Amazon's best-selling, if not the best-selling cordless vacuum on the market today. Why? Because it's super powerful, easy to clean, and it is really, really nice. Change out the filter just with a push of a button. Clean that thing out, and again, easy clean plastic right there. If you just take this, you can wash it completely and have a brand new clean vacuum cleaner at the tip of your hands. So really easy to take apart, put together, and you're gonna have no issues with it. Just a fantastic product. So let me put it back together for you, just that easy. And a really nice vacuum cleaner. Now also the charging base is just this little circle, and you set it on the base during the day to give it a full and thorough charge. So a fantastic product. It's lithium ion batteries, and lithium ion is the preferred battery nowadays. Those nickel cadmium batteries, they would have that ghost recharge where every time you recharge them, they recharge a little less powerful. Lithium ion seem to hold the charge a lot better over time. So that's fantastic. Multi-surface cleaning, it's fantastic. Washable, it's fantastic. And it does come with a charging base. And it is going to be very easy to charge. Just set aside, and you're gonna have a full battery every time you go to use it. So again, a fantastic product. Really nice. Here's the box. Order yours today. You won't be disappointed. This is one that you will not beat. And of course, you know from me that I love the brand BLACK+DECKER. I keep all my power tools BLACK+DECKER. They just seem to last. Everything's interchangeable, and they're a really quality brand. So order today. You won't be disappointed. This one is absolutely fantastic. Thanks again for watching. Check out all my videos. Order today, and adios, amigos.